Alright, this is part 3 to putting the transmission back in. He's cranking down on the bolts. And I'm going to set the camera up. Fuck! I knocked over the PV blaster.
That'd be alright.
Awesome sauce. The fun part's going to be putting this tranny back up in here.
Oh yeah. That's the best part.
Yeah.
And the fact that we got a drive shaft with bad
U-joints.
U-joints. That's even going to be more fun.
Not to mention the bad pilot bushing that we had to leave in.
Yep. Oh well. We'll just see how this bitch works out.
Hey, you can't duck it, fuck it.
Yep.
When we get a GoPro, we'll strap it underneath here just to double check.
Won't be long, won't be long.
Yeah, especially since we're starting that new job tomorrow.
Yep.
Did you seriously just fart?
Nope.
What the fuck was that?
I really don't know. I'm busy underneath here working. I haven't had to fart in a while.
Oh, there's a bird. 2 birds. And a rat.
And dipshit ain't shooting, huh?
He's asleep. Fucking faggot. That's right, Isaac. We're talking about you. I know you're going to end up watching this, so screw you.
Fucking faggot. No offense to other faggots.
Got it?
No, I still got one more I haven't touched.
You need my manliness?
Oh fuck, I slipped off the damn bolt. Oh yeah, seen what Greg meant about this motherfucker taking knuckles.
I'll show him what you're talking about. Use the light.
This right here is a fucking swivel.
I can't see it.
It's a swivel and I got duct tape around it. Cause that motherfucker will almost take your knuckles off when you got a fucking torque wrench behind it and
Yeah, torque wrench.
Yeah, torque wrench, but it's also a damn
Ratchet wrench.
air compressor torque wrench. Oh, smoking and working. Only way to do it. Last bolt to tighten up. Oh, what the hell happened here? I spun that bitch, didn't I?
Mm-hmm. And in case any of y'all missed it, last night we posted a picture on Facebook, Instagram, and Snapchat of us working out here in our underwear just because it was so damn hot outside. Now, it's fucking raining. So, I built us a little tarp to cover the transmission.
Oh, hey, this bitch is on.
Alright, what's next?
And it's free moving. Very easily.
Awesome.
Just like it's supposed to do. Now just to slap the tranny back up here.
Okay. Stay tuned for the next part of the video where we actually put the transmission up.